to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to do a kit up for one of my small 20 by 20 paintings that I showed in a temu haul video a couple days ago, and I figured I really want to make it. It's a smaller one, so it'll be pretty quick and just to kind of distract me from my really big one that I've been working on. So I'm going to do the kit up for that today. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really, really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the kit up. And with kit ups, just in case you're not familiar, it's pretty much when we're organizing the diamonds to get them ready when we're going to start painting. It makes it for myself. Some painters don't, but for myself, it really does save a lot of time. If I have all the colors already set in a way, and especially because the way I'm doing it, I just follow the order the way it is on the legend on the painting, so it goes a lot faster than me having to look for what color goes with what, specific for the DMC number for the color. So for me, I just go through the regular legend number, the 1, 2, 3, that order. It's so much easier than, having to look for details. And the painting, just in case, I believe I mentioned it, but just in case, it's this one. And it's the really pretty flowers with the really vibrant colors with the butterfly. And as I said, it's a 2020. And this is information of the painting, and it should be a quick kit up. It's only 14 colors, and it's really, really quick. And I really want to work on this painting because it's real pretty, and I want to put it on my wall because spring's already starting, so perfect for spring. So for kitting up, I'm gonna put the painting aside real quick. For the kit up, I'm just gonna I have this little briefcase. I call it a briefcase, but I don't know what the actual term is. I just call it a briefcase because it looks like one. And when you open it, you can actually see there's a little pouch for you to store anything like pens or anything you're using while you're making your painting. And these are the little tubes that hold all of the diamonds when you're organizing them. Disregard these because I kind of lost the sheet that had the little number labels, so I just had washi tape on it before. But I don't know where I put them, so I'm gonna have to find them and fix them another time. But since it's 14 colors, it's only go up to, well, 14, so it would just start in the order and then end on whatever the last number is. So, and this little briefcase, I'll make sure to put a description below. I'm sorry, I'll put it in the description below. I originally purchased this through Amazon, so I'll put it on there in case, it's something you're interested in. And they did have different colors, but blue is my favorite color, and I love the polar bears, so that's why I got it in blue. So let me put that aside real quick, and I'm going to get the first two. And so I'm going to go with number 1. And the colors actually have the numbers that they are assigned in the painting. So there'll be a numerical 1, 2, 3, and so forth for this painting, because not all paintings go in that order. And I like taking them. This also for me helps get rid of any static that might be in the bag. So any kind of taking it, I'm kind of helping settling it down settling it down so it doesn't stay stuck on the plastic. Makes it easier when you're going to pour them out. That's what I'm about to do in a moment. So mostly because I'm a little worried. I probably about to jinx myself. I usually don't spill a lot of diamonds, but I do it just out of precautionary. I do put it on a tray. These are one of my bigger trays. This is my cat-proof tray that I've shown before. And I just open the tube and put the little tube on there. And I just cut the little bag. Some people do use little funnels, anything like that, to kind of assist the diamonds to go in the tube. But usually I just pour for these kind of bags. They're kind of a stiffer plastic, so they usually pour pretty well. So if not, well, in this case, if they don't, they'll end up in this tray and I can put them back. So you just pour them into the tube. And there you go. And yeah, luckily nothing stayed on the plastic, so I would just throw it away. Put the top back on. And there you go. They're in the tube now. And so number 1 is done. And so now moving on to number 2. See how quick and easy it is if you just stay. Ooh, sorry. Oh, excuse me. You just stay on the numerical order. For me, it's so much easier and I would just have to pour it out. So number 2 is next on the list. And I always confirm, making sure that the numbers match. Because only once or twice I've skipped a number and I noticed kind of late, and it was kind of I had to really look through all the baggies I had already cut through to make sure I can find the correct number. So when I'm doing the painting, I'm following the correct order and I'm not putting the incorrect color. So that's always confirmed whenever I'm looking at them. So that was 2, and this is 3. So yeah, that's pretty much all kitting up is. And to me, I find it relaxing. And I know some other painters I've watched on YouTube, they've also stated that as well, that they do find it relaxing. It's the whole I guess the whole practice of organization and all of that. And since you're about to, work on a really, really beautiful painting, that it's like the anticipation of what you're going to work on once you're already done putting all these diamonds away. Speaking of paintings, and I'm just going to do a little small chat while I'm just doing this. You can just watch me kitting up all these diamonds, and, you can listen along. I'm actually waiting for a couple days ago. I did a short of a Diamond Art Club order with 4 paintings that I just kind of just not premiered. What is the wording? Shown. Sorry, I just showed the 4 paintings that I had selected. Oh, sorry, this baggie is being a little difficult with me. Let's see if I can turn it real quick. And there you go. And I just got notice today that those 4 paintings are supposed to come. It's supposed to be delivered in my home today. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm waiting for that message so I can go get them at my front door, because don't we love that kind of mail? And same thing for yarn. I do that as well. I mean, that's awesome. That's just awesome mail for me too. And those 4 paintings, I'm going to make sure to show them in a video. Originally, I usually do the unboxing when I'm going to do the painting, but I've seen that I'd rather show, it's kind of like the temu paintings I'd show during the haul videos. I'd rather show the painting if maybe it was one you had seen, for example, for the Diamond Art Club, since there's so many paintings. And yeah, I feel some just falling out of the bag that kind of got stuck in one of the corners. Sorry about that. That I've seen some of those paintings that I know some other painters will, are planning or just holding off on purchasing them, because it is totally different seeing them the way they view on the website and in person. Like, to me, I that's how I see it. That I see that it's really, really different. And oh, I love this tray. This little corner helps really well when you're going to pour them out. And so I kind of want to show them. So if there's a painting that I purchased of, especially, and it's not just 4, I'll admit I've been going a little crazy on ordering paintings, because there's just been so many beautiful ones that have been coming out and that I've been interested in. And so I've been going a little crazy with the order. And not just with Diamond Art Club, also with other companies. I showed a couple days ago an opening for a Dreamer Design painting, and them as well. I went a little crazy on ordering. They have really, really beautiful paintings, and I couldn't decide. And after a while, you do accrue points that you can use for discounts or free shipping. It depends on how many points you have. And some of the sites do have that. So that's why I kind of held off a bit when I was going crazy with the paintings, and was holding off till I saw that one of the paintings were a little bit pricier than the other ones I purchased. So I would wait until I accrued enough points, and I'd sneak back in and get the painting. So those points are really good for that. And I do recommend that if you do accrue them, to use them. And so, yeah, sorry, I went on a tangent there. So with the Diamond Art Club one, planning to just kind of unbox and show. And since there are 4 paintings, I'm not going to show all 4. It'll be a really long video. So I'm not too sure if I should do a video for each painting, or if, oh, sorry, I messed that up. Or do 2 in 1 video. And just to show, in this situation, since there are 4 paintings, just to show off both. I think I might be able to do 2, since it might not take up too much time, because I do not want to put a really long video. Not with the editing and all that. I really don't mind that. It's just, I don't know, it's not a lot of people like to watch really long videos, and myself included. Whenever I'm on YouTube and I'm watching videos, I try not to watch really long ones unless it's one really, really, interesting, or the topic really interests me. But myself, I kind of don't want to record a long video, so I'll make sure the videos aren't that long. And let me make sure this is right. I believe it's number 8. Yeah. So, stay tuned for those for those painting videos, because the paintings are just really, really, well, pretty much any diamond painting you receive are just really, really beautiful. So I'm just really excited. I'm just so excited to get those paintings. And I actually have some that are trying to come in from Dreamer Design, I believe. And I have one that's coming in from Craftably. It was just one, so I'm waiting for that one to get ready to ship out. And since they're, they have their own system, and I'm a patient person, I'll wait. And I have more, I have more than enough paintings to hold off on the time, because, well, I have a lot of paintings, so that's I'm patiently waiting for those, so I can have them in my, well, I guess stash is the best way I can word it. It's a lot of paintings. So, oh, there you go. So, and I'm still waiting for one, and I've probably told this story before so many times. There, only I originally got into Diamond Art Club because there was a yarn. Well, it's not yarn. Well, yeah, it is yarn. Painting that I'd seen. It's a lady that she's knitting, and the planets are knitted. So it's really cool seeing it because you can see the stitching, and there's little yarn balls too, and in her hair too. And I just love the painting. It's called Threads of the Universe, and I've been waiting patiently for it. I even have a wish listed, so I'm waiting for it to pop out. Sorry, for it to get restocked, so I can just pick up that painting real quick. And I think once I purchase that painting, that's the last one I'm gonna buy for a while, unless they come out with another yarn one. Then I'm in trouble. So yeah, that's originally why I got into purchasing diamond art, because I really, really wanted that painting. The time when it first originally appeared, I did not have the funds for the painting, and I had just started buying paintings from companies other than Temu, because the majority of my diamond paintings are from Temu, and I've never really bought from another company. So after I kind of figured, you know what, let me wait until they put that one that I want. But then I kept seeing the new paintings that keep coming out, and I kind of wanted to start, building my stash a little bit at a time of, of the bigger paintings. And yeah, that's when I started buying a whole bunch. And it's just, some of them are just so beautiful. So, and I love landscapes, so they've been coming out with a lot of new landscape ones, and or even some of their old ones. I actually went into their older paintings that Diamond Art Club was offering, and I just fell in love with it. So I started buying a whole bunch. So, and sorry, so now I'm on what, number 12? And yeah, so I'll make sure to put those videos out. Oh, and also I'm opening up, well, not opening up, sorry, starting, I just fixed, well, not fixed, set up, there you go, finished setting up my Facebook group for my channel. So if y'all are interested, you can join. It's just Roseknit39, the same name as the channel. And what I really, really want to see in the group is, I want to see other people's creations. Since my channel hasn't just been, recently it's been a lot of diamond painting, because this is kind of a newer hobby I started picking up, and I started getting real excited about it. But I'm still crocheting and doing some of my yarn projects, and they're just taking a while for me to finish. Excuse me. So I do know that diamond painters, a lot of diamond painters, do other crafts other than diamond painting. And I would like to see in the group any creation that you all make. It can be anything. It doesn't just have to be diamond painting or yarn or anything like that. Anything that that you like creating and all of that, I actually would like to see in the channel, because I love crafts. So I love seeing anything, especially anything that's handmade. Um, I don't know. I just want to, and usually that's how whenever I'm looking up items on YouTube, or on Facebook or pretty much anywhere. I love seeing what people, out there are making, where their heart's desire is of creating. I'm a big fan of that. So yeah, just post anything that you're making or creating, and it can be anything, into the group. I'd really, really appreciate it, because not just myself, but I'm sure there are others that would like to see that as well. And especially if it's something you make, be proud. Be proud and show it off. I'm more than happy to see that, and I just love crafting. And so this blue one kind of got a little stuck. See how I said sometimes some of the static stays on the bag? This one's a little bit static, but not that bad. But fortunately, I can just pour it here real quick. Okay, sorry for the tapping. And there you go. Oh, I love the color of the tray. When I first saw this color when I was ordering it, I thought it was going to be a little darker. Now it's like a more of a teal color, and I love that. It has a little shine to it too. So we're on the last color. This is number 14. And let's see, I think it's white. Yeah, it's a white color. And there's nothing special about this, sorry, nothing special. There's no different drills for this painting. They're just regular color drills. So there's no ABs or anything, but I could add some if I wanted. I have some pink ABs that I originally got from an Etsy order. And oh, there we go. Sorry. I was thinking of adding those, but I'm not too sure. Usually I just stay the way the painting is, but I kind of want to highlight the flowers a little bit more. So I might add that pink into the painting. So lo and behold, nothing left in here. Just a lot of trash that I throw away. And so that's it. And I am done. So from 14 all the way to 1. And see how quick and easy kitting is, especially with the smaller paintings. You can fly by real quick and just be, listening to music, watching TV, anything, and just be pouring the diamonds in. Unless they start being a little complicated, like you saw me with some of the ones that, did not want to go back into the vial. So yeah, I'll make sure to, as I said, put a link down below if you're interested in a little storage case like this. And it is small. It's only 30 tubes. And I wanted a small one just for my small paintings. And it works out as well. And in case you're interested in this tray as well, I'll make sure to put a link down below of the Etsy shop for the small business, because I have a bunch of these trays. I love them a lot. And they do have smaller ones and bigger ones like this. So I'm a big fan of that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for returning back. I really, really do appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual, if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.